आज मैं आपको परमुटेशन से एक और क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ और क्वेश्चन है हाउ मैनी 4 डिजिट नंबर्स कैन बी फॉर्म्ड इफ नो डिजिट इज रिपीटेड एंड सेकेंड केस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज if repetition of digit is allowed. So first take the no digit is repeated. How many digit number you have to form? 4 digit number. Solution is these are 4 digits. There are 4 places 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to form a 4 digit number and digits are 0, 1, 2, dot 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 9. Total of 10 digits are there. I cannot fill this beginning with 0 because of if my number is 0, 3, 8, 6, it's not a 4 digit number, it is only 3 digit number. So that's why the reason I cannot take 0 at the beginning. So how many ways to fill this place? There rest of 9 digits are there. I can place any one of the digit here. So this place can be filled by 9 ways. Out of these 10 digits, only one digit is used here. I can fill these rest of the places by 0 also. 0 can be here, can be here, can be here. So I can fill these 3 places by the rest of the digits because of repetition. No digit is repeated. In first part, no digit is repeated. If one of the digit is already used, I cannot that digit use again. I cannot use that digit again. So that how many digits are left? 9. These 9 digits I have to fill at these 3 places. So that means 9 different digits are to be placed at 3 places. So in how many ways this can be done? This can be done by 9p3 ways. It is a question of arrangement. So 9 into 9p3 means expansion, 3 expansion of 9. 9 into 8 into 7. The same thing we can understand like this can be filled by 9 ways. How many digits are left? 9 because of one of the digit is already used except 0. So rest digits are 9. I can put here any of the digit by 9 ways. The first one is the first place. First place, second place, third place and fourth place. The first place can be filled by 9 ways in which 0 is not included. This second place can be filled by 9 ways again because of I can take the 0 here. I can take 0 here. So 2 digits are already used up to here. At how many digits are left? 8 digits are left. So any of the digit out of these 8 I can put here at this place. So by 8 ways. 3 digits are used. So that means total of 3 digits are used. How many are left? 7 digits are left. Any of the digits can be placed here. So total number of ways in which we can form the 4 digit number. If the digits are distinct. Distinct means no repetition. Second part of this question is repetition of digit is allowed. Again the same question is but the repetitions are allowed here. Again the same thing, I cannot take 0 here. I cannot take 0 here. This can be filled by 9 ways only. How many digits are there total of? Total of 10 digits. I can put here any of the digit out of these 10 because of repetition is allowed. So this can be filled by 10 ways. This can be filled by 10 ways and this can be filled by 10 ways. So this is 9,000 numbers can be formed. Repetition means the number may be 2, 2, 2 and 2. The number may be 2, 3, 3, 3. Like this, the number may be 3, 2, 3, 4 like this. So repetitions are here, repetitions are here, repetitions are here.